Located just minutes from the boutique township of MALENY is this luxury lifestyle acreage property of grand proportions. It exudes the wow factor in every sense. The home features hardwood timber floors, high-end stainless steel appliances, stone benches, gas cooking, an elegant fireplace, and many other features that enhance its appeal. Everything is first class. The home is eco-friendly. It promotes sustainable living, including solar power, water tanks, vegetable and herb gardens, fruit trees, and even a small vineyard. There's a standalone self-contained barn. This adds versatility to the property. It could be used for a dual living, a work from home, guest accommodation, or even a permanent rental to generate an income. The grounds surrounding the home are well maintained and perfect for children and pets to play, and the majority of the acreage takes care of itself. Luxury acreage living at its best.